Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Jeep Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts, and a new oil filter designed for your specific Jeep model. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, safely lift your Jeep using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands for stability. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Once secure, locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, usually at the lowest point. Place your drain pan directly underneath, then carefully remove the plug and let all the old oil drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a quarter to half a turn more. Finally, pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the fill cap. After refilling, replace the oil fill cap and start your engine for a minute to circulate the new oil. Then, turn it off and wait a few minutes before checking the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other deals. Remember to properly dispose of your used engine oil at an approved recycling center. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.